Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about pandemics. An epidemic outbreak worldwide in scope is known as pandemic. Epidemics and pandemics have been a part of human history for a millennia. It can be so devastating that they can utter the course of history. Here we will discuss the 10 worst pandemics in human history. Justinian plague. Justinian plague is one of the first well-documented outbreak. It rocked the Byzantine Empire under the reign of Justinian I. The pandemic is believed to have originated in Africa and the spread to Europe through infected rat on merchant ships. It struck the capital Constantinople in 541 AD and since claimed around 10,000 lives each day. The victim demonstrated classic symptoms of bubonic plague, including sudden fever and swollen lymph nodes. The Black Death. The Black Death was the devastating global epidemic that struck Europe and Asia in the 14th century. It originated in China and spread through the trade route. It reached Europe in October 1347 when 12 ships from Black Sea docked at the Sicilian port of Messina. Most sailors aboard were dead, and those alive were ill and covered in black boils that oozed blood and pus. The authorities quickly ordered the ships out, yet over the next 5 years it killed more than 20 million people in Europe. It was during this epidemic the practice of quarantine began. The newly arrived sailors were kept in isolation for 40 days to prove they were not sick. The American Plague. Smallpox was endemic to Europe, Asia, and Africa with a mortality rate of 30%. But the death rate was much higher when the disease traveled to the American continent with European explorers. The indigenous people of the New World had zero natural immunity to smallpox and they died in herds. The smallpox wiped out 90 to 95% of indigenous people of the America. Later, smallpox became the first epidemic virus to be ended by vaccine, and in 1980, the World Health Organization officially announced the eradication of smallpox. The Great Plague of London. The Great Plague of London was the last major epidemic of bubonic plague to occur. London lost 15% of its population. Due to this, Charles II and his courtiers left for Oxford, and Parliament was postponed and later had to sit at Oxford. Court cases were also moved from Westminster to Oxford. It originated probably in China and spread through Europe. In London, it began in a poor, overcrowded parish of St. Giles in the Field and went on to claim around 68,596 lives. Later, it spread in entire England. The Russian flu pandemic. The 1889-1890, the pandemic, better known as the Russian flu, was a deadly influenza pandemic that killed about 1 million people worldwide. The flu was first reported in Bukhara, Russia in May 1889. In 4 months, it spread through the entire northern hemisphere. The Russian flu is particularly interesting because it was the first major epidemic to strike Europe after slaying down of dense railroad connections. Spanish flu. The Spanish flu pandemic of 1918, the deadliest in history, infected 500 million people worldwide and estimated 20 to 50 million victims. The flu was first observed in Europe, America, and area of Asia and later spread to worldwide within months. But the first known case was reported at Camp Funston in Fort Riley, Kansas on March 11, 1918. More US soldiers died from the flu than were killed during the World War I. Spanish flu did not originate in Spain. During World War I, Spain was the neutral country with free media which covered the outbreak from the start, while other countries had wartime censors in place. Asian flu. The flu pandemic, also called Asian flu pandemic of 1957 outbreak of influenza, was first identified in China and subsequently spread worldwide. It caused estimated 1 million to 2 million deaths worldwide. The Asian flu was caused by a virus known as H2N2. A vaccine for H2N2 was introduced in 1957 and the pandemic slowed down. In 1968, H2N2 Asian flu disappeared from human population and is now believed as extinct. Vials of H2N2 influenza remain in laboratories across world. AIDS. AIDS is considered as global pandemic by most people, but World Health Organization currently uses the term global epidemic. It is widely believed that HIV originated in Kansas in Democratic Republic of Congo around 1920. It is caused by the virus HIV when it jumps species from chimpanzees to humans. Sub-Saharan Africa is the most affected and South Africa has the largest population of people with HIV. In 1988, World Health Organization declared 1st December as World AIDS Day. Swine flu. The 2009 swine flu pandemic was an influenza pandemic that lasted for about 20 months. It was second of the two pandemics involving H1N1 influenza virus but a new strain. It is believed the virus originated in a Mexican farm. The earliest known case was traced to a 5-year-old boy in Veracruz, Mexico. It is contracted by person to person transmission through respiratory droplets. COVID-19. A pneumonia of unknown cause detected in Wuhan, China and reported to World Health Organization on 31st December 2019 and later was declared as pandemic on 11 March 2020. It was named Coronavirus Disease 19, that is COVID-19, by World Health Organization. COVID-19 is caused by a new strain of severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, that is SARS-CoV-2. Currently, there is no available vaccine or specific antiviral treatment for COVID-19. As per World Health Organization report by 4th May 2020, 34,35,894 people were infected and 2,39,604 people were dead. Much of this aspect of this disease, like origin of virus, transmission or the life of the virus in different environment condition, is yet to be understood. Some scientists and politicians claim it to be a synthetic virus created in a laboratory. These mysteries would be revealed later through subsequent studies only. Unless core capacities and strong health systems are developed around the world, the global risk of infectious diseases will continue to threaten the humanity. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please do subscribe this channel. We will be back with more informative video.